Hi, a very good day to you. Welcome to Citizens Security TV channel, which is a CAPSI initiative. We had the 19th Leadership Summit, which was held in Delhi in the month of November. And in that, there was a lot of deliberations on various things that were to be done. We spoke of the national citizen security culture, and we also spoke of certain things which the Prime Minister had also spoke of a Viksit Bharat 2047. Drawing our lessons out of that, we are now having five task forces, different task forces. Today I will be specifically speaking on one of the task forces, which is the Drone Warriors Task Force. Now, the Drone Warriors Task Force, of course, under the aegis of the chairmanship of Kuwar Vikram Singh, we have the task force leader, who is Mr. Anil Dhawan. We have Mr. Harshvardhan Sharma. We have Captain Sunil Dogra. We have Mr. Brigadier Baldev Singh. We have Mr. Vanan Batra. We have Mr. Lokesh Sharma, Sharad Srivastav, Abhishek, and from a CAPSI's perspective, I would be leading this. Now, during the discussion that were held over the last 1 hour at the CAPSI headquarters here in Delhi, we spoke of 2 lakh drone warriors which are going to train. Now, these warriors would help the private security industry to enhance their position and also enhance the face of the private security. We also spoke of strengthening the security using drones and the management systems, enhancing the collaboration with the security agencies across India, establishing training centers. Of course, these training centers would be vetted by the DGCA, and we would also have, we would try to address certain challenges like the anti-drone system and the anti-drone measures that would be discussed in this thing. Now, the drone industry per se, we spoke of stakeholders and the industry needs that are required. What is the role and the potential contribution that CAPSI would have in this? We also spoke of integration with Skill India, which was the Prime Minister's program, the government collaboration, the drone training, which I spoke of earlier, which would be in collaboration with the DGCA, the course accessibility in different vernacular languages, challenges in UTM and the drone corridors. It was also about empowering the women. And last but not the least, we spoke of the legal and the compliance framework that would be there. This is just a part of it. The rest are in the snippets.